everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're back at the KidKraft Barbie dollhouse for the real finale of my flipping dollhouse series. Why is this a real finale, you ask? Because the dollhouse has been sold. In this video, I will pack up everything, ready for the buyer, and just a couple of touch-ups as well, and also a surprise at the end. Okay, let's get started. I'm removing these candles because they're real and I don't want someone trying to light them up. It still looks good as decor even without the candles. Ooh, my sofa. I love it. I'm going to have to make one exactly the same for my Barbie. I love this desk too, and also want to make something very similar for my Barbie. I think I'm going to glue these shelves to the wall, just a couple of dabs of glue, so if a new owner wants to move it, they can easily remove it. I can't remove the chandelier because I glued it in without a hook. I hope it'll travel well. The finials popped off, but I'm including them in the package so they can glue it on if they want, but it doesn't really need it. Okay, now to the kitchen. I'm also going to glue the kitchen to the wall. Should have done that already, and I forgot. I'm going to tie the refrigerator doors together so they don't swing open during transport. Okay, now to the bedroom. Alright, everything is out of the dollhouse. I'm going to miss it. It was a lot of fun working on it. I just have to fix this corner and the other corner, and it'll be ready to go. I listed the dollhouse for $200, but I wasn't getting any messages, so I lowered the price to $100, and then I got a lot of interest. The house sold the next day. I started the series by keeping track of the costs. I think I only did that for the first episode, and then I lost track. But I had a lot of the material I used, so I'm thinking it cost me under $50 for the materials that I had to buy just for the dollhouse, not counting my materials I already had. Not bad. I can use that money for a new dollhouse. I have these plastic bins I'm going to use to package everything. But I don't have enough of them, so I'm going to use a couple of my Amazon boxes. I'll have to put Barbie and Ken into a plastic baggie. And I think I'll include the for sale sign as well, and maybe a little note to tell them they can watch the dollhouse transformation on my channel, and how to set everything up. I'm also including this glue gun with a couple of glue sticks for home maintenance. Okay, ready to go. They're picking it up soon. The new owner is a 6-year-old girl, and I hope she gets many, many hours of fun from our new dollhouse. Wow, now I have an empty table. But not for long. I have been searching on Facebook Marketplace for a new dollhouse, something I can transform from my Barbies and have a place for my favorite miniatures to live. There's a lot of dollhouses similar to the one I just flipped, but I'm hoping for something bigger and different. And then I saw this one, and the price is really good since I found a few other ads with the same dollhouse for so much more, and I think it's perfect. I paid $60 for my new dollhouse. The dollhouse is fabulous, and it's so big it had to be dismantled for transport. The dollhouse is from Imaginarium. It's the Grand Holiday Villa dollhouse. There was just a little damage here. I'm going to fix it with some wood glue. Okay, most of it is put together except for the top. Some of the screws are missing. Plus these cross-dowel bits were damaged. I bought some screws from Home Depot, but they didn't have these little things. I ordered them from Amazon, but it's going to take a few weeks. Okay, let's take a little tour. There's a front garden. I'm going to add some grass, a new pathway, some flowers, some lighting, mailbox, and maybe a couple of windows. On the side there was this flap as the side door, but while it was dismantled, I removed it because I'm going to turn it into a window. I'm thinking maybe a small office and also the entryway. Over here is the living room. I'm removing the elevator and adding a spiral staircase. The elevator doesn't work anyways. Oh, and there's some furniture too. Over here is the kitchen. I'm thinking of putting the dining room here with more windows. This will be Barbie's room and the bathroom, and the top floor will be a nursery or a kid's room. Let's check out Barbie in the house. Lots of headroom. But I did buy some new residents for the dollhouse, this James Bond gift set from Facebook Marketplace. They will be the new residents. I got them for $60 and I saw the exact same set on Amazon for almost $170. So that was a great deal. I'm picking them up tomorrow. I love this dollhouse and I can't wait to start working on it. But first I need to figure out how I'm going to make it fit with the rooftop. I don't want it to sit on the floor. I will be uploading my craft space tour video next Wednesday, and I'm hoping I'll find a solution by then. But my next project will be Marilyn Monroe's condo diorama. But I might also start working on this dollhouse. I'm not sure what style I'll be decorating. I'm thinking eclectic, that way I can mix in different styles, and I can display some of my quirky miniatures. What decorating style is your favorite, and how do you think I should decorate? Tell me down below. Thank you so much for watching and interacting with my videos. It inspires me so much. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.